Hi, I'm Chris Jordan from overtheweb.com, and welcome to video number 2 in the 6-part series on how to create a website from scratch. In this video, we're going to show you how to register your domain name. This is a very simple and straightforward process, and probably didn't even need a video, but we're going to walk you through it anyway because we wanted to go step by step through every part of the process. So with that in mind, let's get started. There are several different registrars you can use on the internet to register a domain name. You can choose the one you like. The two that I prefer are either GoDaddy.com or HostGator.com. And let me go over some of the pros and cons to each one, so you can help you make a decision in which way you want to go if you want to go with either of those two. What I like about GoDaddy.com is their interface is really user-friendly when you're trying to register a domain name, and it gives you some options that HostGator does not give you and makes the process a little bit simpler. What I'm not real sold on with GoDaddy is their hosting. I prefer to go with HostGator.com for that. So basically what I do when I'm registering a new website is I'll actually register the domain with GoDaddy because they have the better interface. I could use their tool and then go to HostGator, and I'll show you an example of that in just a moment. But as a business owner, I like to reward businesses that have done it the right way, and I think GoDaddy's done a better job as far as the registration process. So that's what I do. So the disadvantage to going with two different companies is that it does create an extra step in the process, which really is only about 5 minutes, and then of course you're going to have two different accounts. If that's a big deal for you, then you might just want to go with one, but that's your choice on what you want to do. So let's get started. On GoDaddy.com, we're going to use the example that we found in video 1 when we were looking for an exact match domain, and that was Lawn Service Dallas, but you'd put in whatever you were looking for here and hit go. And this is what I mean when I say they have a very clean and user-friendly interface. What they do is they give you all variations of what's available, and they give you some alternate choices down here, and HostGator doesn't give you any of that. It just says whether the one you're looking for is taken or not, and you have to go back and search again under all the different extensions to find what you're looking for. So what we found here is lawnservicedallas.com is already taken. That's probably going to happen a lot, but there are some other variations. Now what you'll want to stick to is you want to stick to a .com, .net, or .org. Search engines don't seem to like the other extensions, so stay away from those. And in this case, .com's taken, .net's taken, but .org is not. So that would probably be the primary choice here. Now, if all three of these were taken, then you probably want to go back and use some of the other keywords, hopefully from the first video. If you're using an exact match domain, if that's what you're going for, you have a list of some alternative keywords that you can plug in here and see what's available. And if none of them are available, it's rare, but sometimes it does happen, then you can go down here and you can explore a hyphenated domain. Typically, it won't do quite as well as a non-hyphenated domain, but it's still much more powerful than just a simple brand name. So once you've chosen whatever it is you want to do, then you just click on add and you're ready to check out, and that's that. So let's move over to HostGator, and what you'll want to do here is go to HostGator.com, scroll down here to the middle. If you're only building one website, you can just go with this small plan. If you're going to do more than one, then you'll want to explore one of these options, but we'll just assume you're going to do one, and we'll click order now. And here's where you would register it. If you want to register with them, let's just go back to our example, lawnservicedallas.com, and I'll show you what I was talking about earlier. See here, it just tells us it's not available, and we have to keep typing in more, every extension. We don't get any suggestions, we don't get any variations, so it takes a little bit longer if what you're looking for is not available right out of the gate. So that's why I prefer to register with GoDaddy and then go here for the hosting. So but that's up to you. You can do whatever you wish to do. That concludes this video, and we will move on to the next video, which is actually setting up the hosting account.